USA Performance Parts. We're here with the AFR big block Chevy Oval Port Head. This happens to be a 265cc runner, great for 454s to 496s. It does come with a 80% CNC machine chamber. It does have a 85% CNC ported intake port, which cleans up, again, 85% of it. It has an AFR exhaust port, but it is 100% bowl blended. These come with a 2190 intake and a 1880 exhaust. Great for the small bore 427s and 454s, or 4250 bore. This is a great flowing head with very high velocity. It takes a standard stud mount rockers, which come with the assembled heads along with the adjustable guide plates. These are available for a hydraulic roller or a solid roller up to 800 lift. We also have a 700 lift roller spring with 4130 chrome moly retainers or a titanium valve retainer option. These are available assembled with AFR valves through USA Performance Parts. Again, a great head for the smaller cubic inch engines, and will make big power. Now for the bigger engines, from 496 to the 525 inch, we have the 290cc runner oval port head. Now this has a 2250 valve in it and a 1880. It also has a 100% CNC ported intake port, 100% CNC chamber, and 100% CNC exhaust port. A very high flowing exhaust port. But again, at a 290, it's a very high velocity head, which makes great power on 496s. We've even got some of these on 540s in heavy cars that make 750 horsepower and just tire smoking torque in them. These are available assembled from USA Performance Parts, including the guide plates and the rocker arm studs and the spring to fit your cam and engine combination. These are in stock, ready to assemble. Give me a call at 704-397-7979 or on the web at usaperform.com.